Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I'm going to show one new thing. And in previous video, I tried to show different tools in Google Earth Engine. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start work with Google Earth Engine. And at the same time, I'll show you what is the basic difference in codes, scripts, and comments, which are very important knowledge about work in Google Earth Engine. So in every coding language, people just try to start by hello world. So I'm writing first the comment. For writing comment, you need to type double slash, and then you need to write what you want to write. Start work with Google Earth Engine. And once again I'm making slash, double slash, and first code, better to say script, for GEE means Google Earth Engine. And here now I am to print hello world, print hello world. See that here we need to inverted comma, okay, and to run. See that in console window it is saying hello world, okay. And in this here two double slash, you don't one slash and one, this is also works, okay. You don't need to double slash in every line. In this way you can make this. And here I want to mention you that here this is the comment and this is the script, and all thing is called as code, okay. And if I am wrong anywhere, please make me correct by your valuable comment. And at the same time I want to show you one ready-made code to work in Google Earth Engine. So I'm paste ctrl v, it is pasted, and yes, okay, this is the code I want to, it's working. See that this is the comment and this is the script, or this is the download script from Google Google Earth Engine developers tool. And see that variable for adding dataset, variable dataset, and this filter date, and this is visualization, everything. And now I want to click on run, and see that there is perform without, analysis without, run. It is working now. Yes, this is the ice cover. And if you want to inspector, click on inspector and then click here. Then this is, you can see the value here. Point is latitude longitude at 2 kilometer per pixel, and this is the valuable information about this. And thanks for watching till the end of this video. Please comment me if you want to know anything or you want to uh, ask anything about Google Earth Engine or any other topic of geospatial analysis. And please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notified from all videos from my channel. And at the same time, I want to request you, if this video is helpful to you, please like this video and share among your friends, among your colleagues. Okay, and I want to inform you that in the next video I'll try to show about the different shortcut key which are very useful in Google Earth Engine. So please stay connected with my channel Understanding RSGIS and Geography, and thank you.